YouTubers, I overthought the situation. And that watching that other guy's video on YouTube, I just stuck the junkyard cable back in because it came out real easy at the junkyard. I disconnected underneath and just pulled the cable out like nobody's business. So what I had to do, crawl back in here. I'm getting too old for this shit. Lay on my back here, and the cable came through up top here and kind of followed the natural curvature. Whatever, and it came down here where I can work on it. So that was way easy peasy. Now I got to get the other part and hook that up, but that should be pretty darn easy. His famous last words. And that's where it's got to go, to this thing here. All right, I will get on that pronto and maybe get this job fixed before dark sets in. Then I got to walk my dogs. We're late for our dog walk. God bless the YouTubers.